Hello folks, this is Venkat. This is my project for CS424. The project is based on energy data that is publicly available. So directly coming into the visualization, I have a menu on the right and a dock on the bottom. So the menu basically helps you to select countries, scale, zoom, and search for countries and view different graphs. So let us go through the menu together. So the first option is the help button that allows you to see various activities that you can do with this tool. So that gives a quick glance of that. And the scale options allow you to scale the y-axis values so that you can zoom into more detail on the particular plot or graph. So the scale up option scales the data values on the y-axis but not on the x-axis, so that it is clear to view the distinct point if the graph is too small or the values are too small on the scale of the graph. So that is the scale option. It can be scaled down. uh, Next is we have the zoom option where it allows to select a particular range of years for which the data can be viewed. So this particular slider can set the range from, let's say, 1987 until 2000. So the data that will be shown to you on the four graphs can be fine grained using this particular zoom option. The next option is the plot options, where we have four different options to view the graph. The first one is the totals, where it displays the total by default. The next one is the percentages, where it shows the percentage values for each of the total values for each of the graph. The per capita graph is available only for the primary energy consumption and the carbon dioxide emissions. That is also shown. And we can also view the graph in a table format like this by clicking the table button. So it shows all the data for all of the graph. So the table can also be scrolled up and down. So scroll up will take you to the next page of the data, and scroll down will do the opposite of it. So the next part is the search group, where is search group is a list of countries or regions that you can select from in order to view the graph. Let me go back to the totals option where we can see the graph. So in order to view the graph for a particular country, we can select that country, let's say Greenland. So once we click on Greenland, it automatically populates the graph along with the legend for that particular country on the legends dock. So if we do not wish to see the plot of a particular country, we can go ahead and click on the legend, and it will clear that from the graph and as well as from the legends field. So that's about the list. The list can also be filtered using a convenient on-screen keyboard that is provided with the application. So let's say if I want to look up for a country, say or a region, say Europe. So I've clicked E and U, and it automatically populates it in the search box. And once you select Europe, it will automatically populate it back. So that is with the values of that is with the concerned with the on-screen keyboard and the values. So this is basically the tool for visualizing the energy data. Thanks for watching.